Howdy guys, what's up? I'm from America. Hello there, I am British. Sidewalk. I'm walking on the sidewalk. Pavement. I walk on the pavement. Cab. I'm going to catch a cab. Taxi. I'm going to catch a taxi. Truck. I see a truck on the road. Lorry. A lorry drives on the road. Subway. I'm going to take the subway. Underground. I'm going to buy a ticket for the underground. Gasoline. I fill my truck up with gasoline. Petrol. My car needs some petrol. Candy. I love to eat candy. Sweets. I just love eating sweets. Vacation. I'm going to go on vacation. Holiday. This year, I will go on holiday.